today I started to install the electricity in the Airstream, and also we will remount some walls, or one wall. This one here is a big one. Now I will fix some LEDs and then we will put it again to the Airstream. Snowing. Polyester. Yesterday I started with the electricity. It's a lot of work where I learn a lot of new things, but yesterday I had light for the first time in the Airstream, and about 100 meters of cable are now inside. Cables. I have my new battery. It's a lithium-ion battery, and now everything is working with solar energy. And I also tested the light, so it's working. Today I bought a vent for the computer, and I will use it here in the kitchen, here inside. It's only for 10 bucks. So you don't have to buy everything at the camping store, which is much more expensive. Today it's quite hot in the Airstream because we have outside temperatures of about 30 degrees and it's very humid. It's more like South America, but it's okay. The electricity for the light is done, so I will build in all the walls, because the other electricity I will do inside. Because if I have troubles sometimes in some years with electricity, I can open it and I can handle it much more easy than if the cables are like this behind the walls. Today I started to mount the walls again before painting. So we are going forward with big steps. So now I start to build in the LEDs. The time is here, the moment has come for the first LED line here in the Airstream. Now we will see if it is working or not. And so I have the honor to do it. To press the button. Wow. Super. Finally it's done, all the walls are in and the LEDs are shining in the Airstream. Join us in the next episode when we will do the wall painting and the new floor. Subscribe to our channel and follow our Airstream renovation adventure during the next month, and see you soon here again on pinkrambutan.com.